Some places make you work for the view. Ballydavid Head was one of them. The goal seemed simple enough. Reach the cliffs before sunset and capture the three sisters lined up from a viewpoint I'd never visited before. But getting here was a journey in itself. A long drive across the Dingle Peninsula, followed by an unfamiliar trail hugging the edge of the Atlantic. Every turn revealed another dramatic coastline, another towering cliff, another reminder of how wild this corner of Ireland really is. And yet, nothing compared to what waited at the end. Standing high above the ocean, looking across to the three sisters, the scale of the landscape is almost impossible to comprehend. The wind was relentless. Not the kind of wind that makes you pull up your hood, the kind that demands respect. Every step near the cliff edge required caution as powerful gusts swept in from the Atlantic. At the summit stand the remains of an old signal tower, built during the Napoleonic era over 200 years ago. Once part of a chain of coastal lookout stations, its purpose was to watch the horizon for approaching ships. Looking out from these ruins today, it's easy to understand why this location was chosen. The view stretches endlessly in every direction. Unfortunately, nature had different plans for sunset. Thick clouds gathered around the sun as it dropped toward the horizon, while the wind grew even stronger. The dramatic golden alignment I had imagined never arrived. It would have been easy to call the mission a failure, but sometimes the best moments come after expectations disappear. On the walk back, the clouds softened. Gentle colors spread across the evening sky, and for a brief moment, the cliffs glowed with the last light of the day. It wasn't the sunset I came for, but it was enough to remind me why I chase these places. Ballydavid Head still owes me that perfect sunset. And one day, in calmer weather and clearer skies, I'll be back.